The Tube Screamer is an iconic pedal with an iconic circuit and an iconic history. There are and have been many clones, as it's one of the best selling and most used overdrive pedals ever created. I'm pretty sure 16th century lute players used them. In this video I'm going to be looking at the Demon Tube Screamer, and to make it fair I'm going to pitch it against the reissue TS9 Tube Screamer from Ibanez. In this test, can you tell which pedal is which? This is going to be interesting. And now for the big reveal. Let me know in the comments if you got it right. Close, isn't it? 3 controls, exactly the same as the original. Drive, tone and level. The drive increases the overdrive, the tone adds bite to the signal or makes it mellower, and the level increases the volume output of the pedal. Reverb.com has an excellent Tube Screamer guide which shows you the settings of famous users. I'll put a link below for you. There isn't a lot I can't tell you about the Tube Screamer that you won't have already heard from Keith Williams of 5 Watt World. Check out that video for an in-depth review on the Tube Screamer pedal, how it was originally made and still is made by Maxon, and how it got its name. Keith does a much better job at explaining this and has done a lot of research in his video. This Demon Tube Screamer, however, in my opinion, is unbelievably close for around $35. Of course you could just get the original or reissue for double that price, but if you're on a budget then this will definitely do the job. The Demon Tube Screamer also has a switch that modelled the TS808 original Tube Screamer. My budget didn't stretch to buying that one as well, but after testing that switch out, there isn't a great deal of difference in the tone. What do you think? Close tone? Exact tone? There must be 1,000 Tube Screamer stories out there, and I feel I've said Tube Screamer enough in this video. I'm so glad I bought the TS9 though. It's a pedal I think I just had to have. It does weigh half as much again as the clone. It's solid. Having said that, the Demon's also solid. Feels like it will take a good thrashing in a gigging situation. Stay well. Thanks for watching, and see ya.